What is Google Bot? What are the different options available with it? How can we use it? Hi, welcome to WebTech AI YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of Google Bot and explore its incredible features. Let's get started. So what exactly is Google Bot? Google Bot is a conversational AI chatbot developed by Google with its latest version powered by Gemini language model. It helps in various ways like answering your questions, provide you creative content, or simply engage in conversation. To open Google Bart, you can head over to bart.google.com and sign in with your Gmail account. Once you sign in, you will land onto this homepage. Now let's explore the different options available. Please note that by the time you're watching this video, some of the options I'll be describing might have changed. To the top left, you can see the main menu, which you can close and open to get the more space for your conversation. And at the bottom section, you can enter your prompt through text or voice, or you can even upload an image. On the home screen, it was provided with the sample prompts. On clicking them, you can see the pre-built prompts, which will be helpful in understanding the way of prompting. And you can even refresh them to get many more sample prompts. Now let's enter our basic prompt. What is Google Bard? For which it will provide the response. For every prompt, it will provide 3 drafts, which you can regenerate with the refresh button. And next to it, it was provided with the listen option. On clicking this, we can hear the response.
Google Bard is me, actually. I'm a large language model.
As of now, it is provided with a single voice and it will read only after we click the button. But at the end of this video, I'll show you how to change the voice and make Google Bard to read the response by default. At the bottom of the response, you can find the feedback options which will be helpful to Google to improve Google Bard's response. And the next to it, there is a modify response option in which you can select any of the option to get the response accordingly. You can select the option and then response will modify accordingly. And next to it, you can see the share and export option through which you can export the response to Google Mail or Google Docs, or you can even share through the public link. And next to it, there is a double check response option through which you can know the source from where it generated the response. And in the more section, you can copy the response. To the left, there is a recent chat history where you can pin, rename, or even delete the individual chat. And to the top right corner, you can see the Bard activity where you can turn off your Bard activity or you can delete your entire Bard activity. And next to the Bard activity, there is an extensions options in which right now there are 5 extensions available. By default, they are all turned on. If you want, you can turn off. You can get the real-time information from the respective platform using these extensions. You can try the sample prompt provided under the extension. Next to the extensions, there is an help section where you can find the updates, helps, and FAQs. And next to it, there is a settings option where you can select the type of theme for the Google Bard and the way that you want the response, whether it needs to give the response once completed, or you can even select response in real time. And here is the section where you can see your public links that you have generated. As you can see that the recent link that we have generated, we can see in here. Now, as promised, let me show how to change the Google Bard voice. You can add voice control for Bard extension to your Chrome browser. I'll provide the link in the description down below. Once you have added, you can see these icons in here. Now for every prompt, Google Bard not only generate the response but also read it for you as well.
I can help you in many ways, depending on what you need. Here are a few examples.
To change the voice, you can click on the settings and select the voice whichever you want. If you want to remove the extensions, you go to the extensions tab and you can click the remove from Chrome, and the extension will get removed. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more AI insights. Thanks for watching.